We're on the way to Penang and look who's driving. It is unusual to see Shane driving, right? It is because I left my wallet in KL.
Enjoy your stay in Penang, yeah? Catch up with you soon, Ken.
Yes, see you. Morning, Missy. Missy, you ready for a swim? This will be a swimming suit. Here you go. Ta-da! It is our first full day in Penang and we are at OO or UU White Coffee Cafe for our lunch. Like any other coffee shop, there are a variety of food here. They are simple and nice. Thanks Jerisa for recommending. Time for your day 2 adventure, yeah, Missy? Let's go!
And we are here!
It is day 2 of our Penang trip and we are right now at Yin's Sourdough Bakery and Cafe for our brunch. So we are at the food court opposite the hotel. What are you gonna eat?
2 things only. Hokkien mee and kway teow tang. But they're not open.
Okay lah, you got dinner plans with your colleagues. Go there and makan lah.
So I'm out for dinner with my colleagues. I wonder how Ken and Reighley are doing in the hotel.
That's Papa's dinner. What do you want? You just had your meal, right? You want more? No. No. Come on, you had your meal already. This is Papa's dinner. Hope you enjoyed your stay in Penang. It is your first trip to Penang ever. If you like what you've just watched, you know what to do. You'll see you in the next one. Bye. Yeah. Yeah.